नमस्ते। हेलो बेटा, आप सब कैसे हैं? आई होप आप बहुत अच्छे और स्वस्थ होंगे। टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट थर्ड चैप्टर ऑफ ज्योग्राफी क्लास 12th, that is human development. First we should know what is the definition of development. Normally we consider development means independent. When we are independent, it means we are developed. And normally we associate development with modernization, holidays, facilities, prosperity. But in modern scenario, we consider computerization, industrialization, capable transportation, communications, developed communication, progressive and modern medical facilities, individual security. These are considered the symbol of development. And each person and each community, even government, measure these things with development. But partially this is one-sided definition. And many times we associate with westernization and European centralized ideas. And countries like in India, many times this colonialism and frontalization, partiality, regional inequality, these are some second phase or another phase of exploitation. You may call it that this is like a negative side of development. In the same way, for India, development is a mixed bag of opportunities as well as neglect and deprivations. There are a few areas like the metropolitan centers or metro cities and other developed enclaves that have all the modern facility available to a small section of its population. At the other extreme of it, there are large rural areas, slums in the urban areas that do not have basic amenities like potable water, education, health infrastructure available to majority of this population. Because people living in prosperous area, they have these facilities. But what about slum areas where there are heap of garbage, dirty water, overflowing drains? Now these are not available there. So the situation is more alarming in one looks at the distribution of development opportunities among different sections of the society. So it is well established fact that majority of the scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, landless agriculture, poor farmers and people living in backward areas like slums are the most marginalized lot. And a big part of female population means a number of people belonging to female category, they are living in worst condition. It is also equally true that relative as well as absolute condition of the majority of these marginalized section have worsened with the development happening over the years. Means these things have played negative role in life of human development. The result is a big part of people are compelled, a number of people are compelled to live under poverty and subhuman conditions. There is yet another interrelated aspect of development that has directed bearing on the deteriorating human condition. It pertains to the environmental pollution that leads to ecological crisis, as well as pollution also. Now, air pollution, soil pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, they have only led to the tragedy of commons. But these have also threatened the existence of our society, because due to this, human life falls in danger. When people are not able to get basic amenities, it creates or it becomes a serious danger for their health. Consequently, the poor are being subjected to the three interrelated process of declining capabilities. That is, social capabilities. Number 2, environmental capabilities. And number 3, personal capabilities. And due to increasing incidence of diseases and accidents, so this has adverse effects on their quality of life and human development. Because when in our society, women do not have a good social status due to male dominating society, they have to live at margin, as well as due to displacement and weakening social ties. And environmental capabilities, here we stand for the surrounding environment or pollution. And third, personal. Here personal means whether the people have facilities to combat against the disease and accidents or not. So, on this base, it can be said that present development has not been able to address the issue of social injustice. Regional imbalances and environmental degradation. It is widely being considered as the prime cause of social distributive injustice, deterioration in the quality of life and human development. These are the factors that become the cause of lower quality of life. And it also causes many other problems like ecological crisis and social unrest. So does it mean development create, reinforce and perpetuate these crises? Many times it was thought to take up human development as a separate issue against the prevalent Western views of development, which consider development as the remedy to all the ills, including human development, regional disparities, as well as environmental crisis. Many efforts have been made in this field, And if we consider the report of UNDP, United Nations Development Program, since then this institution every year publishes a report on human development. Not only it defines the development of human being, but it brings amendment in the index of human development. And then it categorizes the nation on the base of the points. Like in your 10th class in economics, you have read the comparison between India, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Nepal, etc. And on the base of a report presented in 1993, it tells about the democracy and people's empowerment. What are minimum conditions for this? It described. Like earlier it was considered that only per capita income is sufficient. Only per capita income decided the standard of human being. But later, life longevity, education level, health status, these were also considered under human development. So many times it is said that the planning of development should be framed on the base of people's requirement. We will study in detail when we will start the first book of geography. Now we come to human development in India. We are approximately 130 crore. And we have been placed at rank 125. Your book says, because that time, according to census of your book, that says that population of India 120 crore, and that time we were placed at 131st rank among 188 nations. But now the scenario has changed. So you may say that we are at 125th rank. But according to UN Development Report 2016, we are at 131st rank. And the table has been given in your book. So you will be able to decide at what rank we have. And the small country like Bangladesh, even which is smaller than India, it is not very far from us. While a very small country in south of India, our neighbor Sri Lanka, that has 73rd rank. It means that country is ahead in many fields. Not only in education, but per capita income also and life longevity also. And this rank, the lower rank, it means we are among the bottom countries. So it is a serious concern for all of us. But many times we have raised objection over the standard. They have decided to calculate the rank of the nation. Like colonization, imperialism, new colonization, These are the factors, and not only these, but human right development, religion, gender, caste-based development, and partiality on the basis of caste. These are so many factors where we need to improve, and we have not paid attention towards these factors, which play significant role in the human development. If we had improved these in these sectors, definitely our position would be very different. And if we use the index decided by UNDP, then using all these standards, Planning Commission of India has prepared a report on this. And these features are used to analyze the development of state and union territory also. Later, we use it for the district also, and even state governments also started preparing development report on this basis. And the Planning Commission in India, they have also analyzed on these issues, and they prepared a report in which they concluded about economic development or economic achievement and social empowerment, then social justice, health status, and various welfare programs have been mentioned under it. So, this is the factor where we decide the human development. And next time we will discuss about economic achievement index. Till then, bye. Thank you. And give your opinion whether you will be able to follow these points or not. If not, please let me know so that I may be able to improve it. Thank you.